Drones and fighters. Combat drones and fighter and attack aircraft. Don't forget to press the bell to subscribe to the channel. If you liked the video, press like. Thank you very much. Grumman F-14 Tomcat. The legendary board. Introduction. The Grumman F-14 Tomcat is a mythical U.S. Navy fighter aircraft, developed to be operated from aircraft carriers. It was not operated by the United States Air Force, although in some other country. He replaced the very successful F-4 Phantom in the United States Navy. He is currently retired from service, retired in 2006, being replaced by the F-18 Hornet and F-18 Super Hornet. It is a fourth-generation, two-seater, twin-engine, variable wing, double-tailed, and designed to be operated from aircraft carrier aircraft. Its missions are the interception of fleet protection, maritime air superiority hunting and tactical air reconnaissance. Finally, the F-14 has appeared in different films, but it is especially in 1986's Top Gun where it became very popular. Development. In the early 1950s, the United States Navy needed air defense for its fleet of missiles launched by Russian ships, submarines and bombers. Thus they joined the TFX program together with the Air Force, but the ground attack capabilities of this program went against its characteristics as an air superiority aircraft and the Navy abandoned the project. A study was then started with the F-111, but it was too heavy to be based on an aircraft carrier and it was difficult to design an aircraft that could be placed on an aircraft carrier and be very fast. This project was also abandoned. VFX program. In July 1968, the tender document for proposals for the VFX program was published. In December 1968, Grumman and McDonnell Douglas were chosen as finalists. Finally, the contract was won by Grumman in February 1969. The first flight occurred in December 1970. The initial operational capacity certification was reached in 1973 and in 1974 the first F-14 Tomcat were deployed on aircraft carriers. Improvements and updates. Like most airplanes that are long in service have improvements, since the advancement of technology does not stop, completing and improving its initial characteristics. The Tactical Airborne Reconnaissance Pod System, TARPS, is a pod to give recognition capabilities to the Tomcat, which in principle was managed by the radar operator. It was developed in the late 70s. This system was then improved by the TARPS-D, digital technology, and the TARPS-CD, fully digital. In 1987, the Pratt & Whitney TF-30 engine was changed to General Electric F-110, which gave it more robustness and power. The Tomcat was the heaviest and most expensive flying fighter of its time. The Navy sought a light hunting project, to which Grumman responded with different proposals to update the Tomcat, which were eventually rejected. The substitute for the F-14 is the F-18, a lighter, maneuverable aircraft with ground attack capabilities. Design. Fuselage. It is a very heavy but maneuverable and fast fighter, capable of fighting with other fighters and intercepting cruise missiles. Its weak point is its ground attack, although over time it was improving in that facet. The F-14 Tomcat has a characteristic bubble dome for better visualization of the battlefield by the crew. One of its main features is the variable geometry of the wings, which automatically fold or open depending on the speed. With wings open at low speeds to take off or land, having greater lift, and with wings folded at supersonic speeds to reduce air resistance. Tomcat's undercarriages are designed to operate on aircraft carriers, to be launched by catapult and land by braking cable, thus being more resistant than conventional ones. Engines. The F-14 Tomcat uses two turbofan engines. In versions A, B, C he rode two Pratt & Whitney TF-30 that offered 20,900 pounds per foot of thrust. As of version D, two General Electric F-110 have been mounted, giving 28,200 pounds per foot of thrust with a post-burner, which provides a maximum match speed of 2.34. Cockpit. The cockpit is two-seater, a pilot and a radar operator. The operator does not have flight controls, only the radar controls and the recognition pods. It has a head-up display for displaying basic flight data. Avionics. The F-14 Tomcat, despite its seniority, carries several onboard systems. The most important is the N/AWG-9X radar, which is of the flat array type. It can be used in firing and tracking of AIM-54 Phoenix and AIM-120 MRAM missiles. It has 4 modes of operation. For the latest version of Tomcat D, it was replaced by the APG-71 radar. And a 16-bit data link called Joint Tactical Information Distribution System, JTIDS, was added. It also has electronic countermeasures and enemy radar receiver. It also has flares or decoys to mislead enemy radars and heat detectors. The primitive navigation system was inertial. Later the possibility of GPS navigation was added. Likewise, it also had an N/ALR-23 infrared search and tracking system that was replaced by an AX-1 or TCCS optical system. This system can detect and follow targets at 60 miles. Later it was also replaced by a system that combined optics with infrared. Armament. As an air superiority fighter and missile interceptor in the F-14, its portability of air-to-air missiles stands out. It has several anchor points under the fuselage and the wings, where it can carry several AIM-54 Phoenix, can also be mounted AIM-9 Sidewinder, AIM-7 Sparrow or AIM-120 MRAM. With the improvements in the Tomcat came their ground attack capabilities, so you can also mount ground attack missiles. The F-14 features a 20mm Gatlin Vulcan machine gun mounted on the left side of the aircraft. Operators. The Tomcat operators are the United States Navy, for use on aircraft carriers. The United States Air Force never operated it, but operated the relatively similar F-15 Strike Eagle. The first aircraft carrier deployments were made in 1974 and ceased in September 2006. In the initial phase of the development of the F-14, the Marines thought about adopting it, but their low ground attack qualities at that time made them forget the idea. Tomcat was also exported to Iran in the mid-70s, at those times under the reign of Shah, to end up being operated by the Islamic Republic of Iran, as a land-based aircraft. The Iranian Tomcat are still in service. Operational history. The Tomcat began deploying in North American aircraft carriers in September 1974, but their baptism of fire was in August 1981, where 2 F-14 shot down 2 Su-22 Libyans, in the so-called incident in the Gulf of Sidra. In 1989 a second incident was repeated in the Gulf of Sidra, where another 2 F-14 shot down 2 MiG-23 Libyans. Also in the Lebanon War, Tomcat was used as a recognition platform and photographed the movements in the Bekaa Valley, during the 1980s. In 1991 in Operation Desert Storm, carrying out combat air patrol missions, with attacks, accompaniment and recognition. On land it was not widely used, since that paper was left to the F-15. In 2001, the JDAM bombs were added to the arsenal of the F-14, and they did some bombing on Afghanistan. In 2006 they carried out their last combat missions and the ceremony of withdrawal from the service of the United States Navy was held. Iran successfully used the F-14 in the 1980–1988 Irano-Iraqi War, shooting down Russian-made helicopters and fighter jets from the Iraqi army, as well as other French. Specifications. General characteristics. Crew. 2. Pilot, radar operator. Length. 19.13 meters. Wing width. Open. 20 meters. Folded. 11.58 meters. Height. 4.9 meters. Wing surface. 52 square meters. Empty weight. 19,838 kg. Weight and flight order. 27,669 kg. Maximum takeoff weight. 33,725 kg. Fuel capacity in vacuum. 7,348 kg. Capacity with auxiliary tanks. 2 by 797 kg. Power. 2 by 28,200 pounds per foot with afterburner. Performance. Maximum dry. 1,342 knots. Speed. Maximum speed with post-burner rate. Mach 2.34. Combat distance. 930 km. Maximum flight distance. 3,000 km. Ascent. 230 meters, s. Push weight. 0.88. Drones and fighters. Combat drones and fighter aircraft and attack. Thank you very for watching the video.